Guys, this is absolutely insane, the amount of snow. Let me go outside and show you. Put my gloves on. I've already gone through 2 pairs of mittens. I wish I had waterproof mittens, but I do not. Anyway, let's go. This is absolutely nuts. I've been out here multiple times. Look at how deep that snow is. So this part right here we had plowed by Ed's brother probably a couple hours ago, and it's already filling back in again. This is crazy. Crazy. But I'm gonna bring you back inside, I think, just because I don't want my phone to get really wet. So I'm gonna put you back in the house and help Ed with a little bit of snow removal. I also am constantly having to come out and clean off the bird feeders because the bird feeders keep getting covered in snow. This is nuts. Absolutely nuts. Blizzard of 2026. Why do I live in New England? The snowstorm is starting to wind down. It's still coming down a little bit. Ed's snowblower stopped working. Again, it stopped working first thing this morning. He had a problem with the belt. But he managed to fix it. We flipped it upside down, took part of the panel off, got the belt fixed so that the thing would spin and the auger would shoot the snow. Got that fixed. But then he went out to start snow blowing and the snow kept getting jammed up in the spinny thing. So we did a lot of shoveling. Didn't get it all done. We are expecting that his brother will come back and do another pass on the driveway at some point. Anyway, but I came in after that and I took a nice hot shower. And I just kind of, my hair's still a little damp, but it's fine. I'm going to spend the rest of the day relaxing before it's time to make dinner. And guess what we're having? Soup. Hot soup and grilled cheese sandwiches. Perfect on a cold winter day. Hot soup and two grilled cheese sandwiches. The birds have been nonstop at the feeders today. It's like Grand Central Station at the feeders. No signs of the squirrels. The squirrels won't come out in this. The snow is way too deep. They would literally sink and be buried. So the squirrels are going to stay in their nests until it is safe for them to come back out again. But the birds, nonstop. Non-stop. I've had every species of bird at the feeders today that you can think of. Anyway, so, okay, that is going to do it for this Monday portion of the vlog. We'll see you back here tomorrow. It's going to be a 3-day vlog. So we'll see you tomorrow morning. After the blizzard check-in. So our street is still not plowed. Our driveway is still pretty covered. It's a process to get all this snow removed. We're running out of places to put it all. And that's one of the problems that they are also finding throughout the city. Is they're having a hard time trying to find places to put all the snow. They also have a travel ban in effect in multiple counties throughout Massachusetts, Rhode Island, and Connecticut. So therefore, it's another. Oop, hold on. Okay, sorry. I had the chair in the window so that she can look out the window, and the squirrels are coming to get some food. So we kind of have like some paths, and I was watching. They're so funny. Because the snow is really, really deep. And when they get on top of the snow, they sink into the snow, the poor little things. So there's a couple little paths that come in to where the feeders are.
And I was watching one of them trying to figure out, it's like a little maze. He figured it out. He figured out how to get to the seeds, and I did throw out some nuts for them this morning. I do have to go out and do some maintenance. I'm going to take one of the feeders down, clean it all out, get all that ice, because there's quite a bit of ice on them. Get all the ice off, wash them all out, and then put fresh feed in. And then I'll do the other one as well. Yeah, and then I'm going to help Ed with some more cleanup of this snow. I got to help finish getting that the sunroom steps done. We got to try to get the trash can and the recycle bin out. Probably want to plow a spot. Well, we'll have to wait until the plows come because the plows haven't come yet. And then we'll have to make a spot to put the trash can, but they delayed trash pickup by 2 days. So today is usually our trash pickup day. They're going to do trash pickup on Tuesday. So anyway, so yeah, that's where we stand as of Tuesday morning. We got more snow this blizzard than we did in the blizzard of 78, the famous blizzard of 78. We got more snow. This much snow can be very crippling to a community. And yes, there's a travel ban. They're not non-essential workers. They don't want you out on the roads. And they can fine you up to $500. So I am not going anywhere. I texted my boss. Well, she texted me last night and said, to let her know if we weren't going to be able to make it in today. And I said, well, I got up this morning and I was talking to Dina. There's a travel ban. There's travel bans in Massachusetts, Rhode Island, and Connecticut. So, and she's coming from Connecticut. She has an hour commute. She has to go through 3 states that have travel bans. So she's definitely not coming. Anywho, so I'm going to probably put some gear on. I did shower yesterday and just let my hair air dry. It's kind of funky looking this morning, but it's okay. I'm not going anywhere. So it's fine. And yeah, I'll catch back up with you guys later on.
The next day.
Good Wednesday morning, friends. It's Wednesday. I'm going to go get ready. I'm going to get ready and get going a little early today. Ed is bringing me to work. We're going to leave a little early because I don't know what the back roads are going to look like. And yes, I'm still wearing the same sweatshirt that I was wearing yesterday because this is like my comfy jammy jams. Anyway, we don't know what all the roads are going to be like. I know yesterday they worked a lot on cleaning up the roads. We're going to try to stay on one of the main routes, not take a lot, because usually I take a lot of little back roads. We're going to try and stay on the main route, but I want to leave early just so I'm not late. I don't want to be late since I wasn't at work for the past 2 days. I want to make sure that I'm there on time, if not early, and get the lowdown of what went on yesterday. Hopefully not a lot. I mean, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens when I get there. But anyway, I'm going to go get in the shower. I just want to show you real quick. I'm using these little, I don't want to cover the mic. I'm using these little microphones. Got these on the TikTok shop. I had said before that I had lost the little adapter. I found it. So these are the little microphones. And it comes with 2 adapters. It comes with the one for the iPhone, which is connected right now so that I can use the little mic. And then it also comes with the other little adapter here is for a C port. So we can use it on like the iPad or Ed's phone, whatever. But I like this because it's got a little clip on it that you can clip to your shirt. But then it's also really strong magnet. It's a really strong magnet. So you can take this and attach it like this to your shirt. So you have your microphone right here. It's cute, right? Got 2 microphones with it, so we can use it in the car. If I'm using my phone to record, we can use it for that. I'm mostly, when we're on vacation, I'm mostly going to be using in the parks and stuff. I'm mostly going to be using my DJI because it's very small and portable. It's got the wrist strap, which I like, so I can use it on. I mean, I'm not going to be able to use this on like Tron and stuff like that. But I can use it on some of the other rides. I am still going to attempt to do the my GoPro on Tron on my chest. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Don't hold me to it, but we'll see. I might do it. Anyway, all right. I'm going to go get in the shower. I will see you guys for the ride to work. Stay tuned. I can show you the winter wonderland, and I'll show you what all the roads look like now. And real quick, I did take the mics off, so I don't know if you notice a big difference in the sound quality, because I did take the mic off, so now I'm just using the camera microphone. But anyway, I am going to do my morning mindful prompt. I didn't do any prompts yesterday, so I'm going to do one now. The morning mindful prompt today is called emotion. And this one says, anger kills creativity. If you get irritated today, note the emotion as soon as it arises, then let it go. Can you let your creativity flourish? Sometimes that's easier said than done. Sometimes emotion takes over, especially at my stage in life. My stage in life, which I don't know if you can tell right now, I'm turning bright red because I'm having a hot flash. You know, that stage in life, ladies. You know what I'm talking about. If you're in my age group, you know what I'm talking about. Whew. Anyway, so that is today's mindful prompt. I will see you guys in a little bit. right, guys, so that is a wrap on this 3-day vlog. The blizzard of 2026. We survived the blizzard of 2026. Hopefully that's it. Hopefully we have gotten our quota of snow for the year. We don't need any more. We're good. Thank you. If y'all want to send us more snow, Mother Nature, we're good. We don't want any more. We don't want any more. But thanks, guys, so much for watching. Thanks for hanging out. I hope you enjoyed looking at the snow. It is beautiful. The snow is beautiful when it's freshly fallen snow. It is beautiful. But I don't want any more. I'm done. Anyway, thanks, guys, for watching. If you're new here and you haven't yet subscribed, you can if you want to because, you know, I'd love to have you. And to all my subscribers who keep coming back, thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you're all staying safe and toasty warm. And we will see you back here in a couple of days. Bye for now.
Coffee's brewing, fresh and bold. Stories warmer than the cups we hold.